So here we are after Apex auto wash from Phoenix. This is, the water is still on there. Like I said, the water is flat, so the water is still on. It's still on the paint. You can see it right there. The water is still on the surface. However, Cash is not worried because I'm about to call in some more Phoenix friends. Since I bathed this thing with some Apex auto wash, now it's time to dry it. And for the drying aid, I will be using Titan. Titan for protection and Titan for the drying aid. So let Cash go ahead and spray it. Matter of fact, hold on. Tree sap, everything. Water behavior before Cash. Very flat. Water behavior before Cash. Show me your 500, man. Bam. I showed you my 500. Show me yours. Don't tell anyone. Look at that. It's flat all over. But let Cash go on and get to it because Mother Nature said, hurry up. So Cash about to hurry up. Man, this turnaround came out so nice. It rained on me, but I still got it done. Shout out to Titan. Let's go. Here we go. Cash gonna show y'all how I do it as a drying aid. So as you know, the paint is still wet. I just spray it around the whole. I'm gonna do the bonnet first, so even right here I spray and then I come back and I wipe. But in this case, Cash is gonna spray the whole thing because Mother Nature is trying to wait on me. So since she's trying to wait on me, boy, this shit smells so good. Since Mother Nature is waiting on me, Cash gonna go ahead and spray everything down. And then I'm gonna dry it and I'm gonna come back with y'all after it's dry. Cash be right back. Here we go. It's after Titan got hold of her. This thing need some clay. It need a whole polish, correction, everything. But that won't be done today. Cash did a great job. Let me back out something. There we go. Cash did an awesome job. Fantastic. The gloss is there. The protection is there now. Shout out to Mother Nature. Let me zoom back in for y'all. Man, look at that reflection. Man.